So this is our tomato house. It's 4 foot long and 4 foot wide and 5 foot high. So ideal for growing tomatoes, which generally in the UK would grow to about 5 feet in height. Inside you've got 16 square feet of growing space, so plenty of room for tomatoes. You can also use it for peppers and chilies, and if you want to, you can fit optional shelves in there, so that in the early springtime you can put seed trays in there and make it more versatile. Now the thing with tomatoes is they don't like too much wind, so the glass protects the tomatoes from windy conditions, and also the glass traps the heat and warms it up, so your crops are going to come on much more quickly. But although tomatoes do ideally want to be under cover, they do suffer if the temperatures get too high. So with our tomato house you've got fantastic ventilation, so you can slide the glass to ventilate the frame, so you can have 50% ventilation on the 2 sliding sides, and you can also slide the roof as well. So you can slide the roof glass and let the air move out through the top, or if it's very hot you can even remove the glass completely. So you've got glass in the sides to give you wind protection, but all the excess heat is venting out through the top. The glass itself is proper glass. It is not acrylic, which will bend in the wind. It is glass, and the reason we still use glass is twofold. It gives it plenty of weight, so it holds it down to the ground. We would recommend bolting it down, but the glass still helps in holding it down. And the other thing the glass does is trap the heat. It's much better than plastic at trapping the heat. So early in the year, when you want to get your tomatoes going, then the tomato house will be nice and warm inside, even if it's not particularly warm outside. As soon as the sun reaches it, then it's going to be trapping that heat and warming up inside. So ideally for a tomato house you want to be in a sunny location, but as I say, with the ventilation you can make sure the temperatures aren't too high. At the moment we're experiencing a heat wave in the UK and the tomatoes are fine in there. If you wanted to, you could put a shade cover on it, so you could shade the roof from the prevailing sun if you wanted to keep temperatures a bit lower, but for tomatoes it's not really necessary. The framework itself is architectural aluminium, very sturdy, and we give a 25-year guarantee on the aluminium work, and we've been making them in aluminium since 1970, so they're tried and tested design. The framework itself is bolted together with stainless steel nuts and bolts, so again very sturdy and very secure fixing that's going to last a lifetime. So the tomato house is ideal for tomatoes. You can also use it for any Mediterranean crops really, so you don't have to just put tomatoes in there. You've got peppers that you can put in there. They require a bit more heat than tomatoes, so again will really benefit from being under glass, and you can use it for cucumbers, aubergines, that sort of thing as well. So you can make it really versatile beyond just having a tomato house. So the Access Tomato House, ideal for British climates where you can protect the tomatoes and get really good bumper crops year after year.